All right, take number two. That's going to be good practice for the upcoming video editing I want to do for this specific video. And well, yeah, I had a call in the middle and I had to answer, so I'm going to want to remove that. But yeah, when I look at that, there's kind of this square that appears after that. I'm not exactly sure. I could, yeah, I think I'm going to keep it actually and write something like subscribe, something like that. So let's move it down. And let's write subscribe for more content. All right, let's add that. Is it centered correctly? I'm not sure. All right, seems to be saying that right here is centered. How does that look to me? It looks all right. That is not the color I'm gonna use. Maybe yellow. Yeah, yellow. All right, that's a good start. Can I edit that a little bit? Edit. Epic. All right, already that's I like that better. All kind of possibilities. I like that. I would have definitely liked, there's tons of yellow, but they don't look great. I would have liked black and yellow type thing. I think that's the best looking one right now, in my opinion. Although there's intensity, that can for sure change a lot of things. I see. Not exactly sure. Let's see. The first one I think was the best. The second one I think was the best. The intensity a bit higher. Maybe that like that. How does that look? Oh, that's just this line. I think that's pretty good. It takes a little while. 8 seconds feels a bit long, but it gives people time to read and know who I am and why they want to keep watching. So I think that's a good start. That's like a good 8 second that kind of would give me desire to keep watching. I'm not sure if that's a good idea for every single video because after a while you kind of you've seen it, and 8 seconds feel long. You might just skip forward. I'm not exactly sure long term, but for right now, I'm trying to make new subs. I'm a new YouTube channel. Let's give people a reason to sub and want to hear what I have to say. So I think this is a great start. This is a way to show people that who I am and why they wanted to listen to what I have to say. All right, so this is gonna be it for this video. I'm gonna have to start working on video edition, and I'm gonna be back for more content.